Hey friends, just doing a short video. Just want to show you what we've got coming. We're that little blue dot. We've got some pretty heavy thunderstorms coming. You know, we want the rain, guys, but we don't want hail or anything. So here it comes. We'll just do a short video here. Look how dark it is over there. So here we go. You know what they say, just be careful what you pray for. We'll be fine, but we'll keep you posted here. I'll just film for the next 30 minutes or so, just a clip or two here, and then we'll go ahead and post it for you guys. We're getting rain. It's coming. Good rain, guys. We need it. So our drainage trench seems to be working okay. We might have to tweak it a little bit, but once we pour concrete in there, that water should dissipate a lot easier. So we're getting some good rain, guys. It's been like this probably for about 30 minutes. And I'm looking at the rain gauge, it's looking like 1 3/4 inches, so there we go. Woo! That hurt my spine. So we're getting some rain. Bonesy's enjoying it. No, he's not. He doesn't like the thunder. All right, guys, that's it for now. We got some rain. I just wanted to do a short video to show you guys.
We are going to have to figure out some ways to improve our drainage. I don't know if anybody's got ideas. Let us know, but...
Yeah, probably have to put a French pipe down in there, and we'll do that. But it's not causing any problems. In the main row of the veggie garden, there is a trench that we dug, and we filled it with rock, so it doesn't go into the beds. But hey, we're getting rain and everything's been fertilized, and I guarantee in a couple days, tomatoes are gonna be 3 foot, maybe 4. We'll hope. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Just a quick little video about thunderstorms. Say bye-bye.